Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through a very emotional story. The title of today's story is The Forgotten Birthday. Have you ever felt forgotten? Let's find out what happens in this story. Today was Jack's birthday. He woke up early with a smile. "Today is my special day," he said. He checked his phone. No messages. He waited. Still nothing. Jack felt a little strange. He went to school. His classmates were talking and laughing. No one said happy birthday. Jack sat quietly at his desk. He looked at the clock. Time passed slowly. At lunch, he sat alone. He watched other students with their friends. Jack tried to smile. "It's okay," he told himself. "Maybe they forgot." After school, Jack walked home. The sky was grey. The street felt quiet. He opened the door. His house was empty. No decorations, no cake, no candles. Jack sat down. He looked at his phone again. Still no messages. A tear rolled down his face. "Maybe I'm not important," he whispered. Suddenly, knock knock. Jack stood up slowly. He opened the door. There was an old man standing outside. He was holding a small cake. "Happy birthday," the man said gently. Jack looked surprised. "Do I know you?" he asked. The old man smiled. "No," he said, "but I see you every day. You always walk alone. I thought today should be different." Jack's eyes filled with tears. "Thank you," he said softly. They sat together. They shared the small cake. They talked and laughed. It was simple, but it felt special. That night, Jack smiled. He realized something important. Sometimes the kindness of a stranger can mean everything. Now let's learn some important words from the story. Birthday. A birthday is the day you were born. Example: today is Jack's birthday. Forget. Forget means not remembering something. Example: everyone forgot his birthday. Alone. Alone means being by yourself. Example: Jack felt alone. Stranger. A stranger is someone you do not know. Example: a stranger helped Jack. Now, let's listen again. This time, listen slowly and repeat. Jack's birthday was forgotten. No one said happy birthday. He felt sad and alone. Then a stranger came. He brought a cake. Jack felt happy again. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. Today is my birthday. I feel happy. Thank you so much. You are very kind. Excellent work. Great job today. You just learned English through the story The Forgotten Birthday. Remember, sometimes a small act of kindness can change someone's whole day. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more English learning stories. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning English.